Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 20, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. And to get started, you want to power off the device by holding the power key and selecting power off. Once the device turns off, hold the power key and volume down. So both of those keys at the same time. This will take us to the boot mode. So once you see this, you want to let go of the keys, and then using volume keys up or down, you want to select recovery mode, so it's visible right here, and confirm it with power key. Give it a second and you should see Android with no command, as it is visible right now. So to get past this, hold power key and press volume up once, which will put us into the recovery mode. Now here again you will use volume keys to navigate through the menu. You can see volume down goes down and up goes up, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And from here we can reboot system now, which will take us back to Android, reboot to bootloader, which will take us back to the previous screen where we needed to select the recovery mode. Then we have enter fastboot mode, obviously boots us into fastboot mode. We have apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run graphics test or local ones, and simply power off the device. And like I mentioned, whatever you select, you'll then confirm with power key. And because I want to leave this mode, I stick with the reboot system now, which takes me back to Android.
Hello, Moto.
And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.